Hello children, welcome to another session of EVS class of grade 4. So this class you are going to learn a new block in science, block 9, shoot system in plants. So the aim of this class is you will be able to draw and label the parts of shoot system in plants, classify the plants based on the size of their stems, and infer the main functions of stems. And the key word you are going to learn are shoot system, herbs, shrubs, and stem. So you all have seen plants, right? So which of the part of the plant that you will be able to see, and which part of the plant that you will not be able to see? Yes, yeah, definitely the upper part of the plant that grows above the soil, right? So those parts we can be seen. But the lower part of the plant that grows below the oil, we cannot be seen, right? So we will give two separate names for the plant's part which we can be seen and the part which we cannot be seen. Okay, so the shoot system, that is the part of the plant that grows upward, that is above the ground. So here you can see a picture of a plant and the parts of the shoot system. Shoot system means the part which we can be seen above the ground, plant parts. So you can see branches, flowers, leaf, stem, all these. And the shoot system is the part of the plant that grows upward, that is above the ground, and consists of stem, to which the leaves, fruits or flowers and branches of a plant are attached, and stem, that is the main part of the shoot system. Leaves produce food for the plants. Fruits and flowers, they will bear the seeds, and new seeds can be grown from the seeds. Branches attach the fruits, flowers and leaves to the stem, and the root system, that is consists of only the roots that grow under the ground. So two new things we learned. One is shoot system and the other one is root system, and which are the different parts of shoot system. Now, why do these plants have so many parts? Yes, every part carries out a different function and helps a plant to grow, make food and survive. Therefore, plants have so many parts. Okay. Now, we will see the next part. We can classify these plants into three categories. The first one is herbs, second one is shrubs, and the third one is tree. Okay, so here I put it everything in the table format. What is herb, what is shrub, and what is tree? So herbs are plants with short, delicate and soft stems, and herbs only have some branches. Coming to shrubs, they are medium sized plants and they have stems branching out just above the soil. And coming to the trees, they have tall, woody and thick stems with many branches coming out near the top. So this is how we can classify the plants into three categories. Now, what do you think? Which type of plant do birds choose to make their nest? Whether it is herb, shrub or tree? Yes. So most of the birds, they will choose trees to make their nest because trees have tall and hard stems and branches. So the height of the trees help birds to keep their nest safe from the land animals. So they will choose trees. Now we can see what are the functions of stems. So you all, okay, let me ask you one question. What happens when you suck water from a straw? What will happen? Yes, the level of water will rises in the straw and it will enter our mouth. Correct. So similarly, the stems of a plant also behave like a straw. So now we are going to see the main functions of this plant stem. So the plant stem helps to transport water and nutrients from the soil to other parts of the plant. So this is the main function of a stem. It helps to transport water and other nutrients from the soil to the other parts of the plant. And it also transports food from the leaves to other parts. And it helps to hold and support the different parts of a plant together. So these are the functions of stem. So what do you think? Can a plant survive without its stem? No, not possible, right? Because the stems helps to carry water and nutrients from soil to the different parts of the plant. And without the stem, the plant will not get food and water and they will not survive. Now we can discuss what are the special functions of stems. So not only the some general functions, there are some special functions also. Which are those special functions? Yes, the underground stems like in the potato and ginger. So these plants helps to store food for the plants. So underground stems that is there for potato and ginger and it is help to store food for the plants. And next thing is some plants such as rose flower plant have thorns that protect it from insects and animals. And the stems of some other plants such as cactus, they will store water. Like desert plants such as cactus, they do not have leaves, which we already studied, and their stem help to produce the food. So these are some special function of stems in some particular plants. Now, why does this cactus plant store water in its stem? Yes, the stem of cactus plant is thick and fleshy, right? So it stores enough water to keep the plant alive when it is dry and hot in the desert. So I hope now you understood all the functions of stems and what are the special function of stems. And special functions include storing the food, protecting plants from the external danger, storing the water, producing the food, all these things. And we also see the plants can be classified into three categories like herbs, shrubs and trees. And in the beginning we see which are the different parts of the shoot system. So I hope you understood all these things. So I will come with another topic in my next class. Thank you.